What's up, my best friends? It's your girl Zoe, back here once again, guys, with another reaction video. OMG, guys, I'm super duper excited right now, guys, because my girl, your girl, Siti Nurhaliza, have just received the gold plaque from YouTube. Bravo. Guys, this is just so much exciting news. This is amazing. She's totally deserved this, guys. She deserved it. She have worked tremendously hard. She's such a hard worker, guys. OMG. I'm so excited for her right now. I can just give her a hug or give her a kiss, or the only thing I can do is root my girl on. She's an amazing artist, guys. Listen, hands down, it's just good to see people just go straight to the top, especially when you deserve it, guys. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Thank you guys to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for all y'all comments, all y'all shares. Make sure you guys, if you guys have not done so, stop doing what you're doing. Go to the description and click on your girl IG link and follow your girl on Instagram. You guys support your girl on YouTube, but I get no love on Instagram. Like, oh my God. Listen, guys, I do want to thank you guys for all your love on YouTube. You know, better nothing. Also, guys, if you guys want to donate, you guys can donate anything. It can be a penny, a nickel, or $1 or $2 or whatever that fits on your heart to do so. That will also be in the description down below, only if you want to. No pressure, guys, because I do not get paid for I don't get revenue off for none of these videos because it's copyrighted content. You know, I'm actually reacting to people music. So, guys, with that being said, that's not what it's about. It's about Siti Nurhaliza Day. Yay, guys, this is amazing. I'm super duper excited. I'm ready to get into this video. This is amazing, guys, and I'm glad she decided to share this with her fans. And let's get into it. Let's get it. Alright, guys, let's get it.
Dato Sri atas pencapaian 1 juta subscribers di YouTube.
Yes.
Menguasai arena hiburan tempatan dan antarabangsa.
I hope I can get that one day, guys.
Sistem di YouTube sebagai pencipta kandungan tersohor dengan keterbukaan Tok T sering berkongsi kehidupan seharian dan di sebalik tirai membuatkan channel Tok T digemari dan diikuti ramai. Harapan kami di YouTube teruskan berkarya dan menjadi inspirasi ramai. Tahniah Tok T.
Congratulations, Dato Siti. You've made it to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So proud of you. You know, I still remember when you just started your personal channel. That's just about 2 years ago, and now you're at 1 juta. Big
She worked so hard, guys, and that's what it's all about. Hard work pays off. I promise you that. And she have put in work after work after work. She deserved that title.
Congratulations. Now, you're such an inspiration to us, Dato. From your first ever single to cosmetics to being a mummy and to where you are today. I'm sure other local artists and creators have lots to learn from you.
Guys, I did not know she was a mommy. That's the most beautiful gift in the world. Is it? Yeah, absolutely. Bringing a life into the world. We need the moms. Oh my goodness. That's another I'm so lost on her. OMG. I just love her music.
Now, despite the tough times the industry is in, you have shown us that there are still ways to express yourself through art and creativity while connecting to your fans in very personal ways.
So true.
For that, I'd like to thank you so much for being a big part of YouTube, and I hope this well-deserved Gold Creator Award feels just as special to you as the many other awards and recognitions you've received throughout your career, and I'm sure more will come your way, so please take good care of this award. Terima kasih and tahniah once again.
Assalamualaikum semua, salam sejahtera. Hari yang saya nantikan, hari yang subscriber saya semua nantikan. Anda semua telah merealisasikan 1 juta subscribers. Jadi ini untuk anda. Saksikan saya unboxing kita punya gold button. Yeah.
Oh my God, I don't want to see it. Oh my God. She's really finna open that? Oh my God. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Guys, this is like, this is an amazing moment for her. Because do you guys would you guys love to just get rewarded for all the hard work you put into, and you're not even worried about getting rewarded. You're just doing what you know you love to do and doing what's best, you know? Gosh, that is so cute. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm acting like it's mine, but guys, I'm so happy for her. It's just crazy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow. Belum lagi. Kena baca dulu. Okay, saya dapat surat istimewa ni daripada Susan, CEO YouTube. Thank you so much, Susan and team. Terima kasih banyak.
Susan and the team.
Alright, dan ini dia bagi apa? Oh, juga kad kecil ni. Alright. So ini dia. Tang tang tararararararang. Masya Allah. Saya boleh buka ya. Inilah yang menjadi
How cute is that?
Kenangan dan juga kejayaan bagi semua yang menyokong YouTube saya. Terima kasih banyak. Harap-harap kita boleh naikkan lagi subscriber saya untuk
you have a million, girl.
Seterusnya.
Guys, I hope I can be able to get 1 million one day. Maybe. I don't know. My confidence on 1,000. I'm gonna get 1 million one day. I'm gonna work hard too. Thank you for your inspiration.
Ya, mana tahu lepas ni boleh dapat diamond. Wow.
Wow, that is amazing.
So thank you so much kepada semua peminat saya, followers saya, subscriber saya, dan juga yang menyokong saya dalam industri dan apa saja yang saya lakukan. Dan saya tak lupa untuk mengucapkan I would like to thank Susan, CEO YouTube, and also kepada.
And you know, each and every last one of us played a part in her subscriber count or subscribing to her channel in general, because guys, everybody that took out their time to subscribe to her channel and watch her videos help her got this. This is amazing, guys. She put in the work and we was there watching, and we still there watching, guys. So it's just shout out to you, like amazing.
Zafri from Google Malaysia and Benjard from YouTube Malaysia.
Wow.
Semoga laman YouTube saya ni dapat memberi banyak manfaat, kenangan dan juga sesuatu yang istimewa di hati peminat.
2 years she worked hard and got that, guys. Amazing. Put it on your wall. That's your name, girl.
Perasaan saya bila dah cecah 1 million subscribers tu, of course gembira, bersyukur, dan tempoh 4 tahun 9 bulan saya rasa YouTube saya ni akhirnya mencapai 1 juta subscribers. Sokongan peminat ni memang sesuatu yang sangat-sangat luar biasa lah. Dan saya percaya mereka tak kira lah daripada mana pun, daripada luar negara, daripada Malaysia, mereka tetap memberikan sokongan kepada saya. So Alhamdulillah, terima kasih banyak-banyak kerana menyokong YouTube saya dan apa saja yang saya buat selama saya bergelar anak seni.
Congratulations, girl.
Of course lah, YouTube dah menjadi satu platform ataupun medium yang menjadi pilihan untuk ramai orang menonton. Dan sebagai artis, YouTube adalah tempat untuk saya menyiarkan video, lagu dan semua aktiviti saya.
Guys, it's just amazing to get the 100,000 plat. It's just amazing when you work so hard and just get acknowledged for all your hard work you put into, like, and you just only being you. You only doing you. You only just doing what you love. So, I can assure you, it was not a doubt in her mind that she was not going to reach her goal. If you can make it to, I always say, if you can make it to 20,000, you can make it to 30. If you make it to 30, you can make it to 40. You can make it to 50. That's half of 100,000. Guys, I'm so proud of her. I know she deserves this. And it's so many millions, thousands more deserve this title. And if they keep working hard, they will get it.
Peminat boleh tengok di situ.
Amazing.
Video yang paling meninggalkan kesan kepada saya, okay, seikhlasnya saya memang menyukai semua video dalam YouTube tu. Kan dalam tu macam-macam perkara yang anda dapat lihat. Sisi saya sebagai seorang artis, isteri, ibu, anak, kakak dan juga adik. Okay, kenapa tak pernah share video semasa pertandingan Voice of Asia di Kazakhstan? Okay, ini secara jujur memang soalan paling banyak orang tanya. Saya pun galak jugalah, tapi nak buat macam mana? Sebenarnya kan, cerita dia, kami ni tak dapat footage pertandingan tersebut, dan tim saya ada bertanya kepada pihak TV3, dia orang simpan lagi tak video tu, sebab dia orang pun bersama-sama dengan kami waktu di Kazakhstan.
Guys, she seems so freaking happy, and I'm so happy for her. I can scream right now, but I'm just trying to hold it together. I'm trying to hold it together. Guys, I love being excited for just anyone that works so hard, because working hard is not easy, because it's just sometimes you don't want to work, you don't want to post, you don't want to, you just want to relax. But I can guarantee you, if you put more work in, you get more out. Put more in, get more out. Put more in, get more out. Yes.
Kazakhstan. Namun dia orang cakap dia orang pun dah tak ada dalam simpanan kan. So masa balik pertandingan daripada Kazakhstan dulu, kami ada berkongsi video juga dengan beberapa pihak, sebab dah lama sangat bila kami sendiri pun dah tak boleh nak trace kat mana rakaman tu dan dengan siapa. So sorry lah, saya pun kalau boleh nak siarkan balik kenangan manis tu, tapi inilah yang tak dapat kita nak tunaikan permintaan subscriber saya ataupun peminat saya. So sorry.
Wow, I'm a subscriber girl.
Pertama, saya bersyukur kepada Allah, kepada semua yang telah membantu saya dalam kerjaya ni, yang mengabadikan banyak memori indah sepanjang saya bergelana sini. Dan saya harap semoga video-video yang saya tampilkan ni,
is that the beautiful little princess? OMG, she are so freaking cute. She got a little 3 fingers in her mouth. Oh my God, she's amazing. Yes, she is.
Dapat memberi manfaat, membuatkan anda mengenali dan mendekati sisi saya yang sebenar. Inilah Siti Nurhaliza. Dan saya akui mungkin buat masa ni tidak banyak atau tidak selalu saya dapat keluarkan konten kerana,
sorry about that guys, I didn't want to miss anything. I had to turn that phone down.
Mengenali dan mendekati sisi saya yang sebenar. Inilah Siti Nurhaliza. Dan saya akui mungkin buat masa ni tidak banyak atau tidak selalu saya dapat keluarkan konten kerana faktor-faktor seperti saya selalunya sibuk.
And you know, when people have a passion, it's like, I'm not even thinking about posting on YouTube. I'm just thinking about doing what I love to do. But YouTube is a platform to where you can reach more people. People can get to judge your music or judge you and things like that. And if it's so fit, if they like you or they interested in your music, they would subscribe and comment and things like that. And the more you do it, the more you grow. So, a lot of people have their own preference of why they want to start a YouTube channel. Again, to build an empire or whatever the case may be, especially music, because if you have to have several social media accounts in order to, you know, you can put your music on different platforms. So I feel that she did it, and it only took 2 years. Sometime, guys, I've heard a couple of people on YouTube were saying it have taken them 5-6 years or more just to try to get to where they want to be on YouTube. But I think it's only because of they wasn't too consistent, if that makes sense. But it took her 2 years. She definitely put in the work for it.
Saya sebagai isteri dan juga ibu, saya juga harus fokus pada rumah tangga, kesibukan saya dengan bisnes sebab.
Wait, she got 2 or 1? Comment down below.
Kebelakangan ni saya perlu fokus dengan beberapa produk yang nak kita keluarkan yang terbaru, komitmen perlu saya beri, dan saya perlu membahagikan masa antara kehidupan bisnes dan juga kerjaya seni. Namun tidak semua saya perlu paparkan juga. InsyaAllah saya akan berusaha untuk YouTube saya nanti lebih meriah lagi, insyaAllah.
Okay, guys, that was amazing. It was an honor for my eyes to sit here, guys, and just see her open her hard work, her plat up to the world, to us, to you guys. And we watches her, and she have so many fans to in and out of country. It's just crazy, guys. Thank you guys, because the moment I discovered her voice was so just amazing, knocked me off my feet. Like, I'm just like, OMG. And here in America, we have so many amazing talent right here in America. It's not crazy, guys. So for me to go on the outside of my, outside of the US and listen to other cultures of music, I just love music. Again, it doesn't matter what culture. Talent is talent, and she is just phenomenal, guys. I will just talk all day about this. I'm so happy for her, guys. I hope everybody reach their goal they're trying to get to in life. Guys, listen, I love YouTube. I love doing this, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead on, guys. Give it a big thumbs up, guys, for the effort. Make sure your bell notification on, guys, so when I post one of your requested videos, guys, you will get the notification. Make sure you go follow your girl on Instagram. DM me any requested videos that's necessary you guys would like to see me react to. Guys, I'm signing off this video. Stay safe and blessed, and let God do the rest. And meet me on the next lit banger. And I'm out. Peace. Love ya.